How to send Google Form in WhatsApp. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send a Google Form via WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your web browser and go to forms.googles.com and either create a new form or open an existing one that you want to share. If you don't have one yet, create a new form by clicking the blank option. Once your form is ready, click on the send button in the top right corner of the screen. Now, as you can see, the link icon or the chain link, this will give you a shareable link to your Google form. Simply tap on it and click on copy. Next, open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you have the person or group you want to send the form to open in your chat. Let's say over here. Now, what you need to do is simply paste the link in the chat. After pasting the link, simply hit send, and that's it. Your Google Form link is now sent to your WhatsApp chat. And that's how you send a Google Form via WhatsApp. It's quick, easy, and a great way to share forms with your friends, family, or colleagues.